want to learn to code.
In this course, I'm going to teach you.
This is CS50,
You're
Harvard
hooked.
University's Introduction to the
Man, it feels so good to be doing something productive. You finish the tutorial.
Please code.
You try, but your mind starts to fog up. You can't remember what to do. I'm such a bad programmer.
My name is Steven.
And my name is Sean.
Over the next 90 minutes, we'll be taking you through this series consisting of 21 different segments.
Congratulations, and welcome to Hotel Tutorial Hell. You check in at the front desk. You're in room 104, and you'll stay in that room forever, on the first floor, as a beginner who never gets anywhere. Your primitive monkey brain thinks you're making progress learning to code. Stop, you're addicted. Tutorials aren't bad on their own. It's when you become dependent on them is when it becomes a problem. Anytime you have to write something on your own or solve a problem that's not in the tutorial, you're confused. So you watch another one and another one. See, the problem is, you're not always gonna have tutorials, especially as you move to more advanced stuff. Tutorials are very step by step, but when you're in a work environment, you don't have that. You can be thrown a curveball and you won't know how to solve the problem. You cling on to tutorials because you're afraid of failing.
So what do I do?
It's late at night in room 104. You're about to sleep when you get a call.
Hey dude, open the door. It's important.
You're terrified, but you open the door. It's a man in a butler's outfit, but something feels off. He gives you a book and leaves. It's hard to see, but you're able to read the title. You take a deep breath and open the book.
To escape, you must fail.
You need to accept that you'll get stuck. You will fail at times. That's okay. Don't let it define you. This is not an easy road. Your mind will tell you to turn back. It will convince you that this is a waste of time. Do not give in. Find an idea. Start small. Think of anything. Calculator, basic game, anything that you can do reasonably. Ask ChatGPT, browse Reddit, look around you. There's problems that can be solved. So make something, anything. Let me know the coolest project idea you have in the comments. Once you have an idea, set clear goals. What on earth do you want this project to do? Write it down in a list. Divide and conquer. It's the strategy Napoleon used to conquer Europe. He would split his enemies' armies and take them on one by one. So let's do that. Instead of saying,
I want to create a snake game.
say,
Okay, how do I create a simple game loop?
once you do that, go to the next step.
Okay, now I want to create the game screen. Let's create a snake. Make it move.
Keep doing that. This will make it less intimidating to start, and it'll give you a sense of accomplishment after every step. During this process, you will get stuck. You will feel like you have failed. But remember, to escape, you must fail. If you're stuck, spend some time on your own trying to fix the problem. If you can't, then search it up, ChatGPT it, or watch a tutorial.
Wait, I thought you said tutorials are bad.
Tutorials aren't bad on their own. Remember, tutorials are only bad if you're dependent on them. They're actually a great resource. Once you finish a project, make a new project. This time, add some hot sauce. Make it more challenging. Slowly, you'll get better and better. Congratulations, you've escaped Hotel Tutorial Hell. Keep building stuff. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Good luck.